Bubble Planet sa Bellevue po. Ayan, samahan nyo kami mamayang mag-explore doon kung anong meron po doon. Kasi first time po namin pupunta doon sa, saan anak? Bubble Planet! Yay! Kaya, saan na tayo? Guys, we're here sa Bubble Planet. Ayan. Let's go down! We're here now inside the Bubble Planet. Hello! I'll go hold. Ooh, wow! Look at that! Go inside! Go! Go inside! Go!
They are not running, okay? Go, play na kayo dyan.
Look at that fish. Wow. So realistic. Ah, para dagan totoo siya. Oh, tignan mo. Siya guys, oh.
Look, see, there.
Let's see, anak. Next, wow! Ano si Daya? Nandito sila. Sa loob, oh. Next. Parang pa excited. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, dito na po tayo sa balon. Go, go, go. Pag na balon, ah. Ako din syempre. Parang ako yung bata. Nasaan yung mga bata ko? Nasaan na? Ay, si Trixie. Ay, si Trixie. Ay, si Trixie. Dalia. Ayun o. Pati yung ama na nag-enjoy. Oo. Hihihi. Kik. Ay. Okay. Kik. Ay, daw, find daddy. Find si daddy. Kaya, find daddy right there, bilis. Go find daddy. Ayun, doon. Bilis, let's go find daddy. Trixie, go find daddy there. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Where is daddy? Where is daddy? Where is daddy? Oh, not so high. Si Trixie, nawala. We gonna go sa next after ng bubbles. It's not by chance, but it's bubble time. No, bubble. Balloon. We're going to the next. Wow! Planet. Oh, that's a bubble planet. Here naman guys, planet. Go inside. We're done here. So, tapos na kami dyan, guys. And then, let's go to other side. Here. Ito yung parang rest area. Okay. Next. Anak yun dun, oh. Ah, there. Taya. Go kay daddy dun. Go take a picture dun. Ayun pa. Mami, ano yan later? Ayun pa, oh. Right there, oh. Kay daddy. See, go. Ay. Go inside, go. Oh. Ano siya, oh. Duck. That's duck. Go, ate. Go. Go, ate. Go. Go inside. Ha. I gotta take you a picture. What's that? Ano yan? Mga... Anak, yun pa yun, no? Yun, no. Here, right there. Go. Go inside. Jump. Oh. Gonna go there. Anak, right here. Saan? No. Taya. Right here, ata. Right here. Dito. Right there. Yeah. Yan. Go! Oh, may salamin dito. Kami na nag-enjoy. Go! Right there! Sa kabila naman! Right now! Doon naman sila sa kabila. Ayun yung pit. Ayun yung pit. Ayun yung tao, yun o. Yung body. Ay! Samahan mo, babe. Maliit yata si Trixie para sa ano. Taya, look at mommy. Yay, Trixie. Hello, lumubog na. Where's Trixie? Where's ate? Go. Trixie. Look. Where's Taya? Ayun. Langoy. Malangoy. Oh, madagal naman si Trixie. Daddy, oh. Trixie. Taya, go. Ano mo si mami ng ano? Dalawa ko. Trixie. Ready? Set? Go. Move. Si Trixie naman, move. Trixie. Ayaw ni Trixie. One more. Come on, one more. Ready? Get set. Go. Yan. Wait natin. Lagyan po natin para pag nag-jump siya. Maraming buhot. Okay. Ready? Set? 2, 1, get set. Go! Where's Taya? Wala na si ate. Let's go! Trixie na. Let's go! We're done here. And then, ayan o, nag-edit pa yung mga kids. Gonna go sa next. Nagulat ako sa'yo. Go.
Go.
Do not touch the lights, okay?
Wala na.
Yes, so here na kami. Dito na. Next, bubbles naman na yun, oh. Asa na? Kunti lang. Kunti lang yung bubbles. Yes.
Yeah?
You wanna try that one? Yeah, nandito ka na lang din. Patry mo
Go.
na.
Try mo, go.
Tapang yan. No, nag-close your eyes. Anong gagawitan ka ng ano niyan? Yeah. Hi! Oh, look. Look at you. Akala ko ano yun. Let's go. You wanna try? Ha? Yeah. Try one, try this one. Look, this yun. Ayun yung makikita niya, oh.
Lean forward.
Ready?
Your head up. Can you hold the seat?
Go hold daddy.
Lean up. And then get the back of your head.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Taya.
You want it? Just sit down like that.
Just waiting for ate. Nanonood pa siya. Gumagalaw yung kamay niya. Look at that. Konti lang yung tao ngayon, so si ate pa lang. After this one, ito, meron din silang ganyan, so pwede ka mag-watch dyan. After that, dito ka naman sa, ayan. So, pwedeng maglaro yung mga kids. May coloring din siya, ayan, o. Then, next, ano to? Ayan, yung sketchpad, ayan. Tapos, ayan. May souvenir din. Pwede kayong bumili ng mga toys or clothes. Yan. So, right there. Yan. And then, akin na naman. Hindi pa eh. I don't know. Hello. Si ate. Okay.
You like cotton candy?
Let's go buy some cotton candies. Yeah, sketch pa dyan. Go. Go muna kay daddy. Look! Taya, look kay daddy. Look. Oh, bubbles. Oh. Ganun pala yun. Oh. One. Yan, fish. Fish. All of that is fish. Go. Yun. Diyan ka yan. Okay. Trixie, your turn. Dun. Yan. Dun kay daddy. Go kay daddy. Daddy. Dun kay daddy. Daddy's there. Yun. Dun kay daddy. Go. See? Okay, start na silang mag-color. Si Ate Thea. So, bibili po kami ng cotton candy. Mamili pala kami. Ayun, no? Ginagawa na siya. Ayan. And then, after this, uwi na po kami. Ayan, nag-enjoy. Ate Thea. Enjoy it? The shoe. Pixie, Pixie. Wow? Is it wow? Ha? Wow daw eh, wow eh. So guys, tapos na kami. And ito na ang exit. Ayan. So, let's go home. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye! It's time to eat ng cotton candies. Trixie!